Hello, in today's video we are going to cook the duck that got away for New Year Eve. So love, just relax, get some snack. In about 7 minutes everything will be over and you are going to see the final results. Please like the video, subscribe if you like this kind of content. My channel focuses on self-care, lifestyle. We love food, good food. We like to take care of ourselves and motivate people to enjoy little things in life that are priceless and sometimes free. I love you so much. Happy New Year.
I know this isn't what you wanna hear, yeah. You know I've been down so lately, no motel, yeah. All this pain inside me put me down to dirt, yeah. Nah, I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah. 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 Too young to be this hurt, yeah. 너가 울렸던 내 전화는 꺼놨지. 필요했나 봐 내겐 나의 시간이. I don't want no pain 너의 깊은 생각이. 너가 줬던 옷들 다 아직도 있지. Call me up again 너의 부재중 I'ma pick up my phone, yeah. Call me up again 화면에는 빨간색 숫자가 또 떠있지. Hit me up again 우리 몰래 차 안에서 주고받은 선물 같이. Call me up again, hit me up again 우리 전화하듯이 또 비밀리. 난 너가 더 보고 싶은데. 전화가 더 울렸으면 해. I know this isn't what you wanna hear, yeah. You know I've been down so lately, no motel, yeah. All this pain inside me put me down to dirt, yeah. Nah, I'm too young to be this hurt, yeah. 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 절대 안 돼, 우린 나한테 너무 가혹해. 만약에 너가 원한다면 전부 다 사올게. I do, so can you think about it once more. 너가 싫어하는 모든 것들 I want. 너가 없이 매일 밤을 취해서 너의 흔적들을 찾으려고 했어. Oh, girl, how did you love a boy like me? Like you did.